Hi there creators, are you ready to bring your imagination to life? Whether you're a budding 3D artist or just curious about how those amazing characters in games and movies come to life, today's video is just for you. In this guide, we're diving into the world of 3D character modeling, from concept to a fully realized model. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools and confidence to start creating your very own 3D character. Let's get started. Before we jump into the creative part, let's cover the basics. 3D modeling is all about turning a concept into a 3D digital form. To do this, you'll need software like Blender, Maya, or ZBrush. Each program has unique features, but the goal remains the same: to create shapes, apply textures, and build something stunning. Now don't worry if this sounds overwhelming. The key is to start simple and work your way up. Every pro modeler started as a beginner. Here's a pro tip. Before you even open your modeling software, sketch out your ideas. Think about your character's personality, backstory, and unique features. Is it a heroic knight, a futuristic robot, or maybe a cute cartoon animal? A clear vision saves you time and keeps you inspired throughout the process. Also, reference images are your best friend. Look up images that reflect the details you want, like costumes, hairstyles, or even facial expressions. This step is all about building the foundation for your model. Now it's time to start building. Begin with a base mesh. It's the skeleton of your character. Use simple shapes like spheres, cubes, and cylinders to block out the proportions of your character. Focus on the overall silhouette rather than small details. Once you're happy with the basic shape, move on to sculpting. This is where the magic happens. You'll add definition like muscles, facial features, or clothing folds. Don't rush. Sculpting takes patience, but it's so rewarding when your character starts coming to life. Next up is texturing. This is where you paint your character to give it personality and depth. You can use software like Substance Painter or even Photoshop for this. Think about skin tones, fabric textures, and even little details like scratches or freckles. Remember, details matter. Small touches can take your character from good to wow. And hey, if you feel like the texturing part is a bit too much, we've got you covered. Click the link in the description to connect with talented 3D designers who can help bring your vision to life. Finally, it's time to bring your character into the spotlight. Set up lighting and poses in your rendering software to make your model look its best. A good render can showcase your hard work in the most professional way. Don't forget to save your project and keep backups. You never know when inspiration might strike for a new version or update. And there you have it. A complete guide to 3D character modeling from scratch. Whether you're making characters for games, movies, or just for fun, the journey is just as exciting as the end result. If you're ready to take your creations to the next level, don't forget to check the link in the description to find incredible designers who can collaborate with you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more creative content, and let me know in the comments what character you're planning to create next. Until next time, happy modeling!